What's up, glamorous people? Today I'm going to be doing a kind of goldish look with glitters, okay, you guys? So I'm just going to go ahead with my P. Louise base and base my eyes. With this base, you always want to make sure that you pat it in real good or your eyeshadow will come out patchy. I'm going to go ahead and use my Afrique palette by Juvia's Place. I'm using these two brown colors, starting with the lightest shade. So the lightest shade, I will be packing that in by my crease area, and the darker shade I will be putting in my outer, closer to my eyelid, if that makes sense. You're gonna want to pack on a little bit at a time, just so you don't pack on too much, because this is not really a dark look that I'm going for. Moving on, I'm going to be using my Nudes palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to go in with this goldish, it's like a gold foil color. It's also a cream eyeshadow base, so you just want to make sure that you don't pick up a lot, because when you pick up a lot, it shows up like clumpy on your eyes. And this is a soft cut crease, so I didn't apply any more base or anything. I just packed on that color. After I applied the color, I went back in with the brown colors and just blended it out so it wouldn't look too harsh. And I highlighted my upper eyebrow bone area. I'm going to go in with this clear glitter and my Revolution glitter glue. And I'm just going to pack that on the gold area. And I'm going to put a little bit on the brown area just so it looks like it is gradient, so it doesn't look harsh. When you're finished with that, you're just going to wipe off any excess glitter. I usually use tape. It picks it up way better. And for my eyes, I'm using my trusty old, it's not old, it's actually new. I forgot I had this. I'm going to be using my eyeliner, my gel eyeliner by e.l.f. I love this gel eyeliner because it's so creamy, like it actually melts in your like skin. It melts, okay? It glides on so seamlessly. And I'm going to be doing a dramatic eyeliner. I was about to say eyeshadow. And I'm going to be using these fluffy 3D lashes. These are the longest lashes I've ever tried on, you guys, and I myself have to get used to it, but it turned out really nice. I love this look. It was a little tricky to apply, but I just had to wait till the glue gets a little bit more tackier. You guys, I was watching an African movie, which I love African movies, but I was watching this African movie and this man was beating on his pregnant wife. It was just so shocking to me. It just came out of the blue. It was so sad to even watch that. But this is the first eye, and I'm gonna go on and do the other eye so I could come back and do my face. Instead of doing my regular foundation routine, I'm just gonna be doing this TikTok famous hack, okay, you guys? So you're gonna go in with your setting powder, which I'm using Beauty Bakery, and then you're gonna set your face, okay? I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. matte setting spray and also the e.l.f. putty primer. I'm also gonna put a clip on the side showing you what she did, and I did the exact same thing. And you guys, I'm not gonna lie, this is a great hack because my makeup came out seamlessly, but for some reason I went to the beach today, so my skin was really like burnt because I didn't put on I didn't put on no foundation. I didn't put on no sunscreen. So my face looks extra light, but I think it's the lighting also. I have my ring light very bright with my two box lights on very bright as well. So you guys, excuse me looking very much not my skin tone, but You guys, I'm just so upset that it came out like this. But I did try to go back in and contour, but hey, all I can say is the foundation did really look seamless. I'm so behind on this voiceover, but after I applied my foundation, I added my powder and my highlight, my blush, and I tried to do a little bit of contour to make my face not look as light, okay? But it still ended up looking light. And then I'm gonna go back in with my mascara and touch up my bottom lashes. And for my lips, I just put on some regular lip gloss that had like pink peach looking color. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.